It all started soon after the financial crisis of 2008, when on October 31st, the now famous white paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was shared on a cryptography forum by Satoshi Nakamoto. Nakamoto registers the product on SourceForge, the open source code platform, and on January 3rd, 2009, the first ever Bitcoin block, named the Genesis block, is mined, awarding Satoshi the first 50 Bitcoins of the 21 million that will ever be created. On January 12, 2009, he makes the first ever Bitcoin transaction, sending 10 BTC to developer Hal Finney, who is actually one of the candidates to be Satoshi. Fast forward a few months and the first ever BTC USD rate is established on October 5th, 2009. 1 BTC was worth just 0.00076, a fraction of a cent.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.